do you mean you don't understand? If you don't understand this, you can't be a garage boy, homie. If you got good rims, they need good tires, bro. You can't be out here riding around on some busted stock wheels, bro. Especially when you have new perfect rims inside your garage. Better go put some tires on that shit. You guys like you don't understand. Slap me with a candy apple and call me Bob. I thought you were better than that, man. Hey, yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Garage Boy League, back here with another lit video. So as you heard in the little skit I just did, well, not really a skit, like 5 seconds, call it a Vine. But yeah, so you gotta have good tires on your good rims. You feel me? So what we about to do is we're about to go get the new tires for this beast put on right here. We got some Michelin Pilot Sport 4s, you know, 225, 30, 20, and then the back is 285. Think it's 35, 20, or no, it's 30, same. But yeah, we gotta go get these on there and get those rims. I don't know if you guys saw how bad the rims were. Yeah, they were fading badly. It got bad. This tire actually bursted. So right now we got the stock rims on the car. But yeah, man, here, about to get ready, about to go to work. Oh yeah, we also gotta take this tire off the car because this one popped on them as well. So we gotta get a used tire for this one because it's just the backups. But yeah, so we gotta go take this tire off, get it in the 535, you know, the beast. Well, the real beast actually, and then we're all good to go. But other than that, everything's been going pretty smooth. You know, just gotta go get some new tires on, and then later on today we got something special coming. We're gonna be doing a little bit more work on the F10. Well, she got it done. She got a SV. What he say? What you call them shits? What is mom and pop car again? Like, what does it classify? You know, SUV. It's not an SUV, but all of them fit.
That's what she said.
I mean, there really ain't much that she can't do. About to just put this last tire right here. They got the two fronts in the back. And we got the two rears up front. For me. Well, my brother gonna have to go handle his dolly. You know, we getting it done. Garage gang, we gotta go all the way to Orlando, put these tires on and get everything set up. You know, it's gonna be a 30-minute drive for me. It's gonna be like a 5-second wait for you guys. But yeah, let's go.
2 moments later.
Yeah, I gotta watch my back. In the streets, yeah, I gotta move tight. Yeah, I run to the money like track. I keep one in the head and no lacking. Yeah, I'm straight like the Navy SEAL. Call me Brady, I been in the field. I had none, you don't know what that feel. I came up, put my mama in the wheel. I roll up a Scotty, I got on my zone. PPP, I ain't tell my that long. AMG hit that P, push the story, and I'm gone. I'm player. Headed straight to the touch and the left. When I hop in that race, I see stars. On a whole nother wave of new sauce. When I wake up, I check all the cars. When you wake up, you check the gram, you a little boy. No, yeah, I gotta watch my back. In the streets, yeah, I gotta move tight. Yeah, I run to the money like track. I keep one in the head and no like it. Yeah, I'm straight like the Navy SEAL. Call me Brady, I've been in the field. I had none, you don't know what that feel. I can I put 250 away, and we got more money to play. B&T like Curry and Clay. And we super long range, persistently bowling on them every day. We give
So just touched down. Gotta unbox some beautiful things to make my wheels look a lot better on my car. These are even for when I get my new rims. They're gonna be running these bad boys. So what we have is some 20mm spacers for the back, and we got some 15mm spacers for the front. Boom. This car is about to look a whole lot better. But yeah, we also got some extended lug nuts. Bada boom, bada bing. This car is about to be looking a whole lot better. Mint and clean just now. But yeah, all that's talking after the skid and everything we just did. Let's get to work.
Yeah, I gotta watch my back. In the streets, yeah, I gotta move tight. Yeah, I run to the money like track. I keep one in the head and no lacking. Yeah, I'm straight like the Navy SEAL. Call me Brady, I been in the field. I had none, you don't know what that feel. I came up with my mama in the wheel. I roll up a Scotty, I got on my zone. PPP, I ain't talking about that long. AMG hit that P, push the story, and I'm gone. Young player, headed straight to the touch and the left. When I hop in that race, I see stars. On a whole nother wave of new songs. When I wake up, I check out the car. When you wake up, you check the gram, you a little boy. Look, yeah, I gotta watch my back. In the streets, yeah, I gotta move tight. Yeah, I run to the money like track. I keep one in the head and no lacking. Yeah, I'm straight like the Navy SEAL. Call me Brady, I been in the field. I had none, you don't know what that feel. I came up with my mom in the wheel. I came up with my mom in the race. Constellation, I took her to space. When they county, I caught that first case. 750, I gave him the race. When they booked me, I took to the safe. Yeah, I put 250 away. And we got more money to play. B&G like Curry and Clay. And we shoot for long range. Persistently bowling on them every day. We keep recording and walking and ripping and running and cutting the heads off of snakes. I get the bag, I don't fumble, I came out the jungle, I beat on my chest like I made. I hit the kitchen and press on the face. I'm in the wrist, pop the corks in the face. Yeah, I gotta watch my back. In the streets, yeah, I gotta move tight. Yeah, I run to the money like track. I keep one in the head and no lacking. Yeah, I'm straight like the Navy SEAL. Call me Brady, I been in the field. I had none, you don't know what that feel. I came up with my mama in the wheel.
Yo, Garage Gang, it's your boy Garage Boy Leak, man. I got some bad news. I ordered spacers and they fit, but the lug nuts that they sent me don't fit. This is why you can't listen to eBay, y'all. Listen, whenever you go and put your car in and you just order whatever it says that it's gonna fit, don't listen to them, bro. Always read the description. I made that mistake, and I'm here to teach y'all so y'all don't make the same mistake I did. You feel me? It's kind of heartbreaking because I wanted to see the spacers on the car and see how everything looked. I tried to put back in my OEM lug nuts. They weren't long enough, so it just wasn't working. So I'm going to send those back, get some new spacers to put on the car. And also, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of info on what I got going on next. But I should still have another mod in this video because I didn't get the spacers. I'm not going to just drop a boring video where I ain't do nothing, you know, because we got to keep it playing. We pushing P over here, pushing pimping. You hear me? Yes, sir. Yes, Lord. Yeah, but anyways, I'm going to get up with y'all. I'm going to send these back. Go to some new spacers. You know, we just going to keep on going up to the top, man. You already know. Yo, what's up, Garage Gang? It's your boy Garage Boy League. So I didn't get to put on the spacers, but we do have something to show you guys. A new build. Well, not really. It's a quick flip. My brother and my mom was like, oh, we should show you guys, just to show you like the new stuff that we're doing. So boom, there it goes. We got a GLA 45 AMG. Beautiful, comes with 20-inch rims. It's a 2017. Car is beautiful. It burbles and everything. You know, it has all the wells and bristles. It came with downpipes on it, and you won't believe the price that we got this for. We bought this car for $15,000, and it was having transmission problems. So the people bought a new transmission, they replaced it, they tried to do everything, they tried to code it to the car, and they couldn't get it to work. But we have a mechanic who works on AMGs, He charged us about $3,000 to fix the problem, and now we're on the road running. We're about to sell a car today. We had this car literally for 3 days. We're about to sell this car today, and we're gonna sell it for around 27 because it's a clean title, never been in an accident, perfect condition, and it comes with all the bells and whistles. So you know, it's pretty good. The only thing that's not the best is the interior. Shit, you got the interior not the best, but it's cool. Let me see if the key's still in here. Oh. Shit, you got something. I tapped the button twice by accident. My big fat fingers. But alright. Wanna show you got something? What you guys thinking how this shit sound? But yeah, like I said, the car was perfect. We paid $15 for it. Just a transmission problem. We took it to the AMG specialist. He got it fixed for $3K. Now we're gonna sell it for 25, 27 around that area. You know, so quick little flip here for the garage gig. Just chilling, you know. Another thing is we got a lot more coming next week. So just stay tuned. How do you feel about the new stuff you got going on?
Anytime we making money is a good time, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice flip.
Yeah, and we always making money the right way.
Show them the up the hood.
Oh yeah. Let me show y'all what got going on. The one part I hate is that you have to use this to pop the hood, but you see the car came with down pipes, came with a little tune, everything was clean. But the only thing we have left to do is clean the car. But I don't want to bore you guys with that. I already detailed the cars and mad videos, so I know how we do it. So gonna get everything spick and span, have the people come pick it up. They're sending a tow truck for it so that they could get it delivered to their house, because for somewhat reason, but they already came and looked at the car, so now they're just sending somebody to come pick it up. Yeah, but like we said, man, yo, stay tuned. We got a lot more coming.
And we got more money to play. Like Curry and Clay. And we shoot for long range. Persistently bowling on them every day. We keep recording and walking and ripping and running and cutting the heads over snakes. I get the bag, I don't fumble. I came out the jungle, I beat on my chest like I made. I hit the kitchen and press on her face. I'm in the wrist, pop the corks in her face. Yeah, I gotta watch my back. In the streets, yeah, I gotta move tight. Yeah, I run to the money like track. I keep one in the head and don't like it. Yeah, I'm felt like the Navy SEALs.
And just like that, she's off to Miami. It's nice having you for 3 days. Later, babe. Gonna be missed. Fun car. But yeah. No? That's all she wrote, folks. It's nice knowing you. Don't forget, tell a friend to tell a friend. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
In the streets, yeah, I gotta move tight. Yeah, I run to the money like track. I keep one in the head and don't like it. Yeah, I felt like the Navy SEALs. Call me Brady, I been in the field. I had nothing, you don't know what that feels.